throat if I don't record it. So area of the rectangle is 8 into 4 plus 3, 7. How much is it? 56 centimeters square. Area of this triangle is half into base. Half base we just found out. 3 into the altitude, which is 4. 2 takes away 4. This is 6. 6 for this, 6 for this. Total is 12. So add 12 with 56, 66, 68 centimeters square. Aipenda. Understood? Rectangle would be 7 into 8. One triangle would be half into 3 into 4. Half into 3 into 4 is how much? 2 into 3 is 6. 6 and 6 is 12. 12 added with 56 is 68. Hey, hero, samajh mein aaya? Very good. And which one? With this has little bit of enlightenment opened. Avigya, can you now give a try to 8 on your own? Sir, na, तुम लोग क्या है ना, फैन चला लेना बेटो, गर्मी नहीं लग रहा है. अच्छा, नहीं, what you do is that give a try to 8. I don't mind, but if I do it, there is no fun. So I'll go with him with some problems of his, and then I'll again go for 8. Can I swap the screen? Do it, huh? Do all problems. Do not leave a single problem. Shall I? Even. Yes, darling, tell me your problems. Long division of expression. Okay. Long division. Pedda division. Pedda division kavalandi. Pedda division kavalandi. Table. Cheppandi. You tell me the dividend first. Dividend. Whom are you trying to divide?
Dividing 4x cube minus
4x cube minus 8x square
plus 5x
plus 5x
minus 7
minus 7. And you are dividing this by
plus 1.
x plus 4. Okay. Now let's see how to do this. Understand. Take out a copy and so that you can write parallelly. Okay. What was the rule for division, Avigya? First rule. First thing is that long division. First, arrange the term in such a way that it is in reducing degrees. Do you know what is degree? Degree is the power of the highest power of x in the expression is degree. So this is a cubic expression because the highest power is a cube followed by a square followed by 1. So whenever you are doing long division, there is actually these videos are also there. You can go to the channel and watch. So the long division first rule is write the dividend. This is known as dividend. This is known as divisor. Okay? Write the dividend in decreasing order of their degrees. So this is already done for you. So we write it in the decreasing order. 4x cube minus 8x square plus 5x minus 7. Done. After that, from Decathlon, you have to purchase one sleeveless t-shirt like this. And then you have to make it like this. Agreed? Avika t-shirt. Then you have to write what? X plus 4. You understood? Write this much, then we'll go ahead. X plus 4. X plus 4. Now we will start dividing with x plus 4. The first term, here also we will write it in decreasing order. So first x followed by this is x to the power 1. Here also we have x which is x to the power 0. So you're not seeing it. Now your first job should be somehow to nullify this term. Okay, you have to buy, beg, borrow, steal. You have to nullify this term. So I think I'll multiply with a 4x square. Do you agree? If I multiply x with 4x square, it becomes 4x cube. So what do I write? I write 4x cube. After that, the 4 which is left along with its sign, so it's plus 4, has no other option but to eat whatever is here. So 4 multiplied by 4x square gives you how much? 16x square. Now question is, where do I write 16x square? The Malhotras, below the Malhotras, Kapoors, clan wise you have to go. This is the x square term, so place it under the x square. And if x square was not here, keep it separate, but you have to place it below the clan. So this is a positive 16x square. Have you understood this much or not? After that, draw a line. And you need to subtract this term from this term. That's how we do in division. So you need to swap the signs. So we swap the sign. 4x cube was positive, so this becomes negative. Means, henceforward, I will not read it as plus 4x cube. I will read it as minus. This is the new gotra that I'm giving it. So this also becomes minus. So you now start your algebra. 4x cube and minus 4x cube cancels each other. You understood?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, my English is not good. So if my English is not good, do help me. And minus 8 and minus 16 is how much?
Minus
24. 24. X square. And then whoever are at top, right? They just fall below like rotten mangoes. Rotten mango 1, rotten mango 2. Have you understood? Very good. Now your job should be to kill x square. Again, you see whether it is in reducing degree. Always check that. Yes, it's in reducing degree. We're going to kill 24x square with this. But no other option left. I will multiply it with negative 24x. X square. Positive 1 into negative 24 is negative 24. That's how I have matched it. Agreed, bacha? 4 multiplies with 24. 4 into 24 is how much? 96. So it is a negative 96x. Again, plus red is below the red is. Swap the sign. How do you swap it? Minus becomes plus, minus becomes plus. After that, we have to do some killing operation. This is killed. And then what am I left with? Plus 96 and plus 5 gives me how much?
plus 5x.
Plus 5x. 101x. And the 7 just comes down. Agreed? Now x has to match with this, so I have no other option but to multiply with 101. I get 101x. And what happens? The 4 multiplies with 101. It's a 404. So plus 404. Once again, swap the signs. I swap it here, I swap it here. After that, I will cancel this one. Which one? This one gets cancelled. And I'm left with only this. So negative and negative, this becomes negative 411. 7 plus 4 is 11. So this much is the remainder that is left. Is there a mismatch with the book or is it a solve the problem? Perfect, huh? Have you understood how to do? Which books do you follow in your school? Oh, this is Birla book, na? Yeah, fine. Okay. Have you understood? Can you try one problem on your own? Now, try one problem, or else if there is a next problem, you can tell me. But try to go to the, today grandma has sent me a message from another number. She said,
What happened?
what happened? You put it into the flush tank or what?
Something happened.
Yesterday, could you read my messages? Full purple, ah. So what happened? Yesterday's all message I have to send. But this is the same number, right? No. Yesterday, grandmom called me. Arey, ruk re. How come then, where is your grandmother's yesterday's messages gone? Oh, I didn't speak to grandmother yesterday. I spoke quite a few days back. 905. But these messages were sent. I'm again sending them back in case. You go to the channel, then you will get all videos playlist wise. You know how to surf YouTube, right? Yes, I know that. Now the new number is 98660. Okay. Then if you have any other, yeah, yours. I'll take his problem. Yeah, come ahead, Yadu.
I don't have doubt. I'm just saying.
You got frozen. No issues. Tell me whatever you have doubt. You got a bit frozen. So you said you don't have a doubt. You want to say something. Yeah, that was.
No, I said I don't have a doubt. I just wanted to say I'm done.
You want to say that you are done. Okay, I will recommend your name for the next Nobel Prize. Don't worry. I'm just formulating the list. I will include your name. Okay, nice, fine. Could you solve all the problems of Polygon?
Yeah.
Very good. Then do you do the last exercise now? Why are you sitting idle like Donald Duck? You can do the, yeah, you can do the last one. And there's never end to anything. Sky is the limit. More you jump, more higher the sky goes. अभी क्या हो रहा है लास्ट वाला हुआ ना प्रॉब्लम क्या है समझ में आया व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम यू डोंट think if you all think the solution is in your hand problem is you all first always and that is with me also when I was at your age I also do the same thing we try to force fit the formulas we think that oh, everything will be by the formula no everything may not be by the formula but the application of formula will definitely be there somewhere we have to think the gray matter is required if you're done then finish off C also let him do one problem and then we go back to what you call his exponent problem and if there's any other doubt yeah do I'll no this is what this is with 4 this term is
5x.
how will you how are you measuring you have to match this
Exactly.
exactly
How's it?
how it will match if you need to get 5 right if I multiply it with 5 by 4 then won't it match can I write here
Yes.
okay see the trick you have a 5x cube and unfortunately on this side you are having a 4x right try to see the trick x and x cube is not a tension we can adjust that our problem is that 4 should be multiplied by something that I should get a 5 which actually makes us feel very sad this is how is it possible we can do that we need to get rid of this 4 first right at this case fraction will come into our help let us multiply with something with denominator 4 now don't you get happy that this 4 and this 4 will cancel and you need to get a 5 so put a 5 out here 4 into 5 by 4 will give us a 5 are you understanding now so your face from this now changes back to this
But they didn't tell us this in school.
they will not tell you that's what I was just saying this girl every time don't go with a shoe that it's not Cinderella na, that the shoe will fit always Cinderella we are the stepsisters we are a little bit fat so in our case we have to remodel the shoe and
So we
make
have
it
to write
fit
4 by 5 here.
yeah 4 by 5 then only it will get matched but if you make it 4 by 5 then in this case again you have to match the 3 see you can't match a 4 and a 3 so next time what do you have got a 4 you should multiply it with something say for example say 3 was the number say 3 was the number 4 has to be multiplied with something to get 3 first you kick out this 4 and then bring 3 yeah super easy
This I understood, sir, but how do we write it here?
I will do that let's do if everything was so easy then they should have given us only a copy button tell me the question dividend
Minus cube
5x cube minus
3x
3x square
plus 8x.
plus 8x you are dividing this with just a single 4x right now here all of you can see this problem a 4x does not kill a 5 4 cannot kill a 5 right so our job is look we have got a 4x and we need to multiply with something so that we get a 5x cube right initially the problem makes us feel very sad because x we can adjust what about this 4 here fraction comes to our rescue 4 you want to get lost so bring a 4 here now this 4 can cancel this 4 do you agree and if I bring a 5 out here now doesn't it become 5 it becomes 5 now to adjust this is x so I'll just bring x square out here so I should multiply it by 5 by 4 x square so let us bring 5 by 4 x square have we understood so if we multiply by 5 by 4 x square then this becomes how much 5x cube understood bacha now what do we do huh
I did not understand.
you did not understand so let us understand once again so in long division the problem that we have see everyone brings a problem for everyone so that's what is the beauty of mathematics we have a 5x cube which we have to divide with a 4x. This is the first step. Okay, let's not look at anything else. That means what is in our mind? In our mind, it should be that 4x should be multiplied by some fellow, and I should get what? A 5x cube. Yes or no? Have you understood this much, Charvik darling?
Yes.
Yes. So the x we can adjust, we can put a x square. So the x becomes x cube. X has been settled. How do we adjust the 4? A 4 can never give a 5. Therefore, we have to kill this floor. Murder. So how do you do murder? You put a 4 below out here. Now is the murder possible? Yes. Ew, ew. So now you have murdered the 4, but you still need 5. Bring one 5 here. Now x cube, 5x square, x 5x cube. Have you understood? So it becomes 5x cube. So yes, Abhiyan, just see. So we've swapped the sign. This gets cancelled. Now the rest of the people come below, just like rotten mangoes from the tree. Now you need to get a negative 3x square. This is a very interesting problem. Now get a negative 3x square. I am not doing this step. I am writing directly. Obviously, a 4 can never give me a 3. So I will multiply it with something which should have 4 at the bottom. So 4 and 4 is gone. So I need to get an x square. So I'll have an x. I'll have a 3. But I need to get negative. So I'll put negative out here. Have you understood? So this will give me how much? Negative 3x square. Again, swap the sign. Ghana. Then what do we have? 8x. Now life is very comfortable. Now to any idiot also knows. Just a 2. 8x.
Then what want the symbol change? 8x.
Which, yes, obviously. Symbol we have to change. Then on. Got the answer correct? Great. We remember his name also we will add to that Nobel Prize list. We prepare a list every day, which we send it to the Alfred Nobel Society for awarding Nobel Prizes. Many people, it takes just some time, like Aadhaar card, it takes a little bit time to come, but you will get your prize. Yes, next question.
1 minute.
Yes, please. Just check whether you are able to do all or not. Tomorrow I won't sit in the exam. I'll be in the operation theater. You will be in the exam. So both of us, it is exam tomorrow. अच्छा एकाक्ष क्या बेटा कैसे बेटा बैठ के बढ़िया हो रहा है क्या पॉपकॉर्न खा रहे हो व्हाट इज इट गोइंग ऑन डार्लिंग हाँ हाउ इज द मूवी गोइंग नेटफ्लिक्स oh please do problems better finish the exercise I saw you relaxing like a picnic you know yes which one you are getting stuck let me do it which one third one Ikra, page number, which one it is?
210.
Okay. Find the area of a pentagon ABCD. Okay, tell me the question. Find the area of a pentagon. So let me make a rough pentagon. Let me make a rough pentagon. Okati, rendu, moru, nalgu, aidu. This is a rough pentagon. A, B, C, D, E. Okay, tell me, what are the measurements given now? What is the measurement given? It said find the area of a pentagon in which BL is perpendicular to AC. So we have to first join AC. So let's first join AC. Let us first AC. First let us join AC. And then we have what? We have BL perpendicular to AC. So BL is one perpendicular. We as in different color. This is a perpendicular. And then there is one more perpendicular, which is DM perpendicular to AC. Hey, I will come and hit you like anything. This is such an easy problem. 2 altitudes given, 2 triangles given. These are 2 triangles. We have 2 triangles now. One trapezium and one triangle. Okay. Not trapezium. No. Okay. Perpendicular. Okay. Let's see. A, B, C, D, E. So DM perpendicular. And EN is perpendicular to AC. EN. EN is perpendicular to AC. EN. EN is perpendicular to AC. EN is perpendicular to AC. Yeah, very nice. So EN is perpendicular to AC. EN is perpendicular to AC. Done. So now you have one rectangle and 3 triangles. Look, this whole, this entire ACB, I'm just giving you a hint. You have one triangle which is ACB. Then you have one more triangle which is ENA, ENA, and you have one more triangle which is DMC, DMC, and with that you have one rectangle, and the rectangle is EDMN. Now let us check we have all measurements or not. Okay. अरे रुक जा. AC is 18. अरे रुक रे बाबा. AC is 18. So this area is equal to half into AC multiplied by BN. Now let's say half multiplied by AC. AC is how much? 18. And BN is how much? Okay, BN not given. No issues. Leave it. No, BN nahi. No. ABC, the first one, BL. Yeah, tell me BL. Sorry. This is not BN. Sorry. This is BL. Very good. Thank you, Anay. So BL's measurement is how much? 4. So 2 and 2 gone. 18 2s are 36. So this one has come already. 36 centimeter square. Now let's say ENA. ENA will be equal to half into AL into AN multiplied by EN. So let's check. EN data is given. AN is given. AN is 6 and EN is 9. So this is equal to half into 6 into 9. So 2 3s are 6, 9 3s are 27. So this is 27 centimeter square. Now let's work out for DMC. DMC will be half into MC into DM. So what all data are given? CM or MC? DM is 12. DM is 12, right? And this is not given, but we know because we already know what is the value of AN. See, we know the value of AN. AN is how much? AN is given as 6. This is 6 and AC's value is given to you. AC is how much? 18. 18 minus 6 is 12. So this is 12. M to C will be equal to AC minus AM. Right? Sorry. M to C. Sorry, this is not the data. 1 minute. So we need to find out what all other data are given to us. AM. Yeah, AM is given. So AM is given. How much is the value of AM? 14. So this is 18 minus 4. This is 18 minus 14, which is equal to 4. So MC is 4. This is 4. 2 2s are 4. 12 2s are 24. So this is 24 cm square. And last, finally, this we have trapezium EDMN. Don't worry. EDMN as a trapezium should be equal to half into sum of the parallel sides. Now the parallel sides are these two. EL plus DM into perpendicular distance, that is NM.
Yeah.
EN, yeah, EN. Sorry. So NM's value we have found out as 18 gone, 10 gone from 18 is 8. This is half. And EN's data is given to us. How much? EN is 9.
9 plus 12.
And DM is how much? 12. So this goes away. 2 4s are 8. Tell me how much is 9 plus 12? 21. 21 multiplied by 4, which is 4 1s are 4 and 4 2s are 8, 84. So here we should get a 84. So here we will get a 84. Now answer will match. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 7, 21, 1, 2 carry over. 2 and 8, 10, 12, 14 and 3, 17. Note dabba yogadi. Answer is correct? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, it's correct. I know that. Yes. समझ में आया हीरो? तो फिगर तो दिया हुआ था, मैं सोचा फिगर दिया हुआ नहीं है. This trapezium, these are the parallel sides. These are the parallel sides and this is the perpendicular. Chalo, your next question. Can I swap the screen? Did you understand or not? ठीक है. Next. Huh? 18C fourth question. 18C fourth question. Okay, read the question, beta. So given is what? Area of trapezium is 180. Okay. Okay. Height is equal to 9 centimeters. One parallel side is longer than the other by other by 6 centimeter. Have you understood? What is the area? Hey, what? Okay, so एकदम easy है ये problem. This is your trapezium. Agreed? So what all are given? They have said that the height of this trapezium is given to you. So this is the height of the trapezium. Height of the trapezium is how much? 9 centimeter. Overall area is given to you. One parallel side is longer than the other by 6. If this is x, this is x plus 6. You understood it? Okay. What is the area of a parallelogram? Half into sum of the parallel side x plus 6 into perpendicular distance, and this is given as how much? 180. Understood? So it's very easy now. So it's, you can, this becomes x plus x is how much? 3x. 3x, oh sorry, 2x, sorry. 2x plus 6. So this becomes equals to, this is 180. This 2 goes on top. The 9 comes below. Keep it like this. 9 2s are 18, 20. So this is basically 40. So you have 2x plus 6, which gives you how much? 40. Now, no need, you can do some smart maths. 2 gone from here. If you take out 2 from here, it's 3. If you take out 2 from here, it is 20. So x is equal to 20 minus 3, which is equal to 17.
20 plus 3.
Huh?
This is 20 into 2.
Half into sum of the parallel sides into perpendicular distance should be equal to 980. So 180 into 2 divided by 9, 20. 20 into 2 is 40. So 2x plus 6 is equal to 40. X gone, 2 3s are safe. Yeah, so this would be 17. 17 is the answer.
Answer is 23 because it's longest.
Oh, you have to find the longer. Come on, don't you eat my head like that. So this is 17. So this is how much? 23. Not big deal. Okay. Nonsense. Yeah. Next question. Subtraction of?
I did the answer, but I just want to confirm.
Oh, please.
Circle. 2a square minus 7a square, 7a square b plus ab square minus 5b square, subtracted from,
You read the question. You read the question as it is printed. Yeah. That's why I was not hearing you.
Subtract 2a square minus.
So he has to be shown that idea, na? Subtract
2a square
2a square
minus 7a square b plus ab square minus 5b square from minus square plus 3a square b minus 4ab square plus 2b square.
You forget this question. You answer this.
The answer is
No, you should answer this. You answer what I am asking you. Subtract 8 from 13. KG class problem I am giving you. Grade 12, grade 2. Forget that. 8 from 13. How do you solve this problem? I don't want the answer. How will you solve this? How will you write this problem?
8 minus 13, which is equal to
Open the window and jump. Subtract 8 from 13. Forget. Subtract 8 from 13. How will you write this? Because if you don't know that, you will not be able to solve the first one. Subtract 8 from 13. Subtract my hand from my body. So it is what? Body minus hand. Subtract 8 from 13. If you are not,
13 minus 8.
yes, that's the, have you understood?
Yes.
What does this statement in English mean in mathematics? This statement in English means 13 minus 8. From the greater we always subtract the less number. Now For your problem, what is your 8? Your 8 is this number. And what is your 13? Your 13 is this number. Have you understood the trick now how to go with this problem? So that is the bigger number, whatever it is, and this is the smaller number. So how do we subtract? We will now subtract this problem this is written in English, beta. And my English is very poor, okay? We have to bring this now to mathematics. I had given you this in English. This is what is mathematics out of it. So let's do the mathematics part of it. So it should be 9a square plus 3a square b minus 4ab square. Yeah, I knew that, right? From here, we have to subtract. See, maths is not about you should understand what you're doing. There's a lot of difference. You know what's the humor part of it? Do you eat and shit or you shit and eat? Yeah, don't say I shit and eat. The entire example goes just two English words, but if you replace them, the whole meaning goes for a toss. You eat and shit. Similarly, you should know what should be subtracted from where. So our next step will be what, beta? 9a square plus 3a square b minus 4ab square plus 2b square. Now attack with the minus. It becomes minus 2a square. Then plus 7a square b. Then minus ab square. Then plus 5b square. Now you look for similar terms. So let's look for similar terms. 9a square and 2a square. Yes, very good. So it is 7a square. Then a square b term. Where is a square b term? A square b term. 3a square b and 7a square b. 10a square b. Have you understood? 4ab square and minus ab square.
AB square be passed.
This minus will go and rate the bracket, na? Kabaddi minus, kabaddi plus, kabaddi minus, kabaddi plus. So now what happens? 4ab square and minus ab square. It becomes 3a minus and minus is minus. Minus 5a square. And then this fellow is remaining and this fellow is remaining. See? So you should have a pencil. And after you do this, just like walk. Sometimes, you know, somebody plays the straight drive and you just don't look at the ball because you know, you wait for the photographer's moment. Let the photographers click photo. You know the ball has gone. You don't need to look at it. Sultan movie mein dikhate hai na? Salman Khan will place someone. Oh, is he going? He may hit him back. He will never get up. The punch should be KO. KO, you understand? Knockout punch. After that, 1, 2, 3, ding ding. You understood? Very good. Any other to eat my head? But did you study these chapters properly? What you're trying to do is cooking all food before the guest arrives. So there might be some. Okay. Yeah, I love this. It is just so nice, huh? He is thinking that I am actually a muddlehead person. Yadu, sleeping, huh?
No.
Then what? Your problems are over? C-section?
Yeah.
Fifth. In given figure. What? This girl will eat my head one day. So in given figure, what is the figure? It is a trapezium. So your given figure is something like this. No. Square is actually a construction. That's giving you a hint. You should see the figure like this. Somewhat like this. What is the name of the figure? A, B, C, D. Okay, right, fine. So we have a here. A, B, C, D. Okay, what are the measurements, bacha?
DC
7, 10, 13. 7, the entire is 13 and this is 10, right? So you asked to find out the area. In such a thing, it's very easy. We will do one construction out here. We will drop a perpendicular from C directly on A. We'll drop a perpendicular. So, okay. And if you drop and there should be 190 or something mentioned. Yes, there is a 90 mentioned here. So if you drop the perpendicular, this is also 90. And let's say this is some point Y. So obviously, if this is 7, this becomes 7. Are we fine? And you take out this portion. 13 minus 7 will give you how much? 13 minus 7 is 6. With 6, 10, you have another Pythagorean triplet out here. You need this data now to solve the problem. So smaller side is always 100 minus 36 root. 100 minus 36 is 64. If you do the root of it, it is 8. So always remember, just like 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet, 6, 8, 10 is also a Pythagorean triplet. 11, 12, 13 is also a Pythagorean. No, not 11, 12. 6, 8, 10 is a Pythagorean triplet. So now the job is easy for us. Yes, Anay, as you were saying, this is a rectangle. So this portion becomes 56 and this is half into 6, which is 3. 3 8s are 24. So if you add all of them, it becomes 6 plus 4, 10, 0, 1 carryover, 1 and 2, 3, 3 and 5, 8. 80 centimeters square should be your answer. Fine. Yes. Tell me. Which one? Which one? No, you just tell me from there. Find the area of the given figures. Right, fine. I have seen that. You can sit at your place, no worries. So your diagram is something like this. See, your diagram is something like this. And your diagram is something like this, and you have been asked to find the area. You have a bifurcation here, and you have one more bifurcation, which is here. The separation. Okay. So what are the measures? 3, 2x, 2x, 5. So this is 3. This is 3. This is 2x. This is 2x, which concludes that this is a square. And then we have a 5, right? We have a 5 out here. Yeah, we have a 5. And this is square. So if this is 3, this portion is also 3. This is 2x and this is 3. So this entire thing will be how much? 2x plus 3. Fine. You can sit, otherwise he can't see. You can go back to your seat. No area. Now you can find area of individual pieces. हाँ 2x इतना पोर्शन है, ये 5 है. ठीक से देखो ना, वहां 5 लिखा हुआ है ना नीचे. अरे बाबा, first you get all measurements. This is 2x, this is 5, this is how much? The top one is also 2x, this is 2x and this is 3, so this is 2x plus 3. Now let us name our figures. Figure A, figure B and figure C. Whose area you want to find first? C. C is a square, so C's area will be 2x multiplied by 2x, which is equal to 4x square. Agreed? Then whose area do you want to find out? A. A is a rectangle, so A's area will be length, which is 2x plus 3 multiplied by the width, which is 5, so it should be 10x plus 15. Then you are left with what? B. Any problem? Why you didn't understand this part? This is a rectangle. A rectangle has a length. The length is 2x plus 3. This much is 2x and this much is 3. So this is 2x plus 3. And the width is 5. So 2x plus 3 multiplied by 5. Why 5 into 3?
Yeah.
Why? How can you multiply 5 into 3?
Yes.
Array, you guys are eating my head now. This is the rectangle. If you draw this rectangle separately, then isn't the rectangle like this? Now first, what is the area of a rectangle? Huh?
Length into breadth.
Length into breadth. So what is the length here? 5. The width is how much? From here to here the width is 2x, and here to here the width is 3. So isn't it 2x plus 3? So multiply na 5 into 2x plus 3, 10x plus 15. And then you are with b. B is very simple. B is something which has got 2x and 3. So B's area will be 6x. What easy. If you even empty your ink, then also you should get full marks. It's so easy. What was getting difficult in this problem? You tell me, I'm there to help you. What was getting difficult? No, I mean, two scientists were working on this project. Why? I know, sir. Tell sir.
Look it as like into side. Like, because that's the area.
Overall area. Overall area also will be side into side. So we'll go by. One minute. Hold on. Mathematics is interesting. Wait. I will clear all your doubts, and then only you will go from here. You don't worry about that. Okay, don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Now let's see the overall area. What is the overall area we have got? 4x square will be added with 10x plus 15, and we should also add a 6x. These are the three things that we have got. So our total area should be how much? 4x square plus 16x plus 15. This is after adding bits of paper falling on the ground. Now we will add the whole ground. Let's see the whole ground. We don't know what is the shape. So we know it is either a rectangle or a square. How much is the overall width? 5 plus 2x. Agreed? Should be multiplied with how much? 2x plus 3. And if it comes correct, I will hold one leg of both of you and you will lakko 5 from this window. So this is 5 multiplied by 2x plus 3 plus 2x multiplied by 2x plus 3. 5 into 2x is 10x plus 15 plus 4x square plus 6x. So this is 4x square plus 16x plus 15. Come.